Hi, today in front of me Asus ROG Phone 6D and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings and then tap to the Themes and Wallpaper section. Click here Wallpaper and Style and tap to change wallpaper. Here we got gallery or online wallpapers or just the default ones. For example, let's use this one. So here we got the home screen. Let's change the lock screen wallpaper. Tap to apply, and now just let's wait a couple of seconds. So let's lock the device, and we could see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we got one more way how we can do that. Just hold for a while the home screen with your finger, then tap on the left down corner to Wallpaper and Style, and by the same way select one from photos from your device gallery. I have no here any photos, unfortunately, so this is the home screen. So one more time, switch home screen to the lock screen, select this wallpaper, tap to apply, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.